finally opened up in LA in August of 2025. It's at the time of this recording, and also how you're listening, it's February 2026. We want to wait for the hype to die down just a tiny bit, but it's nestled in Little Tokyo.
We also got here at opening, so.
Accidental opening, but we wanted to at least be here before we went crazy, because even if it's a weekday. But we're gonna try some of the foods that we missed out on when we were in Vegas last time. So most of the menu is exactly the same, except I did look, they have a special drink in honor of Robin's birthday. That's lavender cold. Yeah, they're selling it right now, I think.
Cool.
But let's go in and see how fun this place is. Yay!
Now, the One Piece Cafe in Los Angeles just opened up in August of 2025, so just because it recently opened, Rose and I took the chance to just let the hype die down, but we still heard from the employees that work there, because we went first thing as they opened, that they still generally have a lot of business. Even talking with one of the employees, they were trained at the Las Vegas location before they opened up the new spot in LA itself. Now, before we entered the cafe, I did notice that there was a menu outside, so people could look at the menu before they decide if they want to go in there or not. There is outdoor seating, but it was a very chilly day, so no outdoor seating at the time being. They even have a special time where they do board games on Wednesdays at the time of this Sanji's Kitchen segment, and I thought that was very cool that they do a board game night over there. And you can follow their social medias, which I believe it's the One Piece Cafe that's on Instagram. I don't know anywhere else. I could be saying this wrong, but hopefully it could be redirected. But that's if you want to know updates and stuff like that. And once you enter that cafe, I'm going to say this right now, and this is someone who's been to Las Vegas for one. I think the LA location is so much better. The design feels like you've entered more into a ship. It was beautiful. There's a giant cutout of Luffy with a giant screen behind him that interchanges with the character designs of the current arc going on, along with some of the monsters. There's even a nice little TV display that has Sanji cooking in the kitchen. It looks like original animation, but it's Sanji cooking in the kitchen, showing that he's preparing these meals for you. They also did sell some merchandise, which is pretty cool. I don't know if it was the same amount, but it's LA exclusive merch, which was neat. Once you entered to a second part of the dining room, you saw these two giant TV monitors that had the ocean underneath. Rosa said it was an arc that, at the time of the podcast, that no one hasn't gone to yet, and I'm going to take his word for it. There were moments where you could watch some of the sea creatures swim around. There's even Usopp and Chopper trapped in bubbles as they're trying to navigate through the ocean floor, which I thought was neat. One of the most amazing designs, though, was we walked through the hallway that leads to the restrooms. We didn't enter the restrooms themselves, but we examined the hallway. It had tons of wanted posters from so many of the characters that are in the show. The nice thing about me, yes, I'm still at Skypiea, but I do know some of these villains and some of these characters that I will be encountering later on in the future. I know the whole Straw Hat crew before we even get to some characters joining. But it was so nice seeing all the wanted posters, and if you went to go order the food or buy merch, right above the cashiers was the Straw Hats wanted posters in all of their beautiful glory. So that was very fun. And now we should really be trying the food, so let's try some food!
What did you get, honey?
I got the dragon fruit punch. I'm not usually a high sugar guy, but it's what they had, so.
Try it.
It's not overpoweringly sweet. I like it. I give it like an egg.
Let me try it. Okay. Wow, there's a sweetness.
It's not like super sugary sweet though.
I thought it was gonna be sugar sweet, but this is like a nice sweetness.
It's a fruit sweet.
Yeah, I'd give this an A too.
Yeah.
I got the Gum Gum Ube Horchata. I love horchata so much. I love ube and milk tea, so I'm excited for this one. So I'm gonna give it a shake.
Alright, give it here.
This is amazing. I love it. You gotta try it.
Alright. kind of chocolatey. Or like the cinnamon, that's what I mean, cinnamon.
Yeah, there's horchata has cinnamon in it.
It's like a cinnamon cookie.
It's so good.
Yeah, I give this an A as well, if only because, again, not a sugar person. But very good for what it is.
Which is weird because horchata is a milk drink.
I mean, it's kind of like a cinnamon kick.
Yeah.
Not kick, but you know what I mean.
I mean, I also don't like that ubi super strong in this, so this is very good. I enjoyed so much, so yeah. Also, just like last time we got the souvenir cups, which I don't think we'll take them, but this time because we quite literally already have cups from home.
Well, we can give them to people.
We could probably give them to people, but this is still nice cups.
You send it like Carl and Becky's like pen holders or something.
Yeah, but they're still good cups. Still good. We just got our food. I ordered Brooks curry because my father-in-law John said this was so good, so I want to try it. And last time, Rosa really wanted this. It was sold out at the other location, but this location had it. Tell them what this monstrosity is.
This is the Luffy meat platter. I don't know what's in it. I'm assuming we got obviously chicken, meat on the bone here.
There's ribs.
We got some.
You got octopus sushi.
We got some grapes. It looks like I think avocado.
That's pineapple.
Oh, neat. We got some rice.
And you got some rice. And dear God, all of it smells so freaking good. Like we're gonna have a fun time. I feel like I'm trying to figure out which one of us should try this food. Try food first. Should it be me because I got the curry?
You try the curry first, yeah. I'll try the curry, then we'll each try everything.
Yeah, we're gonna try our best to try everything. All right, I got a piece of the chicken. Trying to get a piece of the chicken.
There you go.
Here we go. Okay. All right. Cheers. Very good chicken. Very good. I'm gonna get some of the rice now. Okay. Ooh. Here's the thing for me. Definitely A. The only reason I'm knocking it down a bit is because I'm not a fan of the pickled onion, pickled cucumber, I think that is. I'm not a fan of those. I think it's pickled jalapeno, yeah. I'm not a fan of those, so I'm gonna probably eat around it. But the curry is A, yeah. Alright, go ahead. Go for it.
It's real good. Yeah. I'm moving on Nash.
Ness?
Go.
You got curry in your beard.
Yeah, I need a shave.
Yeah. Alright, which do you want to try from here?
I'll go with the octopus first.
Go with the octopus. It's so cute.
I mean, it's a really good hot dog.
Yes, I want to try.
Isaac knows what Kaguya clip to cut in.
That's a good quality hot dog.
I probably referenced that clip like 5 times in the span of a minute.
Definitely about like an A for that one.
Yeah.
Next up.
Hang on.
There's so much to choose, so many choices.
I'll go to the rib next.
Go for the rib. Go for the rib.
Oh my God.
It's a big rib.
Ash, that is phenomenal.
Ooh, really? So an S? That's an A? Like, that's not bad. That's not bad. Oh my God, look at how big the drumstick is.
Oh,
Wow.
man, that's an S.
The chicken's an S?
So good.
That's an S.
That's really good.
S. Yeah, no, I think overall for me personally with all of the movie plate, that is a combination of 8.
It's like a high A.
Like a high A. It would be S. I think there's just like maybe a couple flavor choices, but for me it's a high A.
Yeah, I would go low S, high A, but more low S. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this now.
Rosen just discovered that we missed something. What did we miss?
These smaller ribs.
Oh, they're tiny
You
ribs.
don't feel like pork ribs? Not pork rib. Short ribs maybe?
Possibly. Let's well, splash the menu with this thing here because we can't remember.
I don't know the rest. It's real good.
Let me see.
Trying to hold where the bone is. I don't know what it is, but it's very good. This is like an A, only because I don't know. I don't remember what meat this is. That's not bad though.
If it's that good, you're joining if you don't remember. Wouldn't that be nuts?
Like it's not. Well, we all know it's meat, so.
Also,
Also
Okay.
what? Huh?
sure.
No!
So I ran out of, hold on. So I ran out of the ube horchata that's so good that I bought another one because it's that good here. And apparently they just released it today. They have a sticker pack that has all of the Straw Hat Crew, but there's only for $16. We're gonna try and make these magnets. But it's so cute. Trying to share a picture, but we have demolished all of the food here.
Oh my god.
Was so worth it?
Yes. I'm not eating the rest of the day, basically.
Yay! I might still eat because we're gonna say right now, we're not getting any of the dessert here because the dessert here is very pricey.
And I might explode like Mr. Creosote.
No, but we're gonna do our final thoughts outside of the cafe in just a moment.
Thank God we're walking after this.
Yay, walking!
I may sprint.
Don't sprint.
All right, final results. Go to the One Piece Cafe in LA, Little Tokyo. It gets the Sanji Kitchen seal of approval from here. It is so good, right, honey?
I ate way too much.
Yeah. Now we're just gonna venture off, but next time we'll go back to the kitchen and make something. And meanwhile, I have to walk with both drinks, but wait, you guys didn't get one of these drinks. Have it quickly!